My first conversation.
About myself.
Hello dear, what is your name?
My name is Nitya Krishna.
How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 3rd.
What is your school name?
My school name is Mother Mary School.
Where is your school situated?
My school is situated in Mayur, Bihar, Phase 1, Delhi.
What is your father name?
My father's name is Deep Krishna.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Sarita Krishna.
Where do you live?
I live in Delhi.
What is your grandfather's name?
My grandfather's name is K.M. Shah.
What is your grandmother's name?
My grandmother's name is Manki Devi.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Devansh Krishna.
What is your sister's name?
Sorry, I have no sister.
Who is your best friend?
Molly Sri is my best friend.
Do you help mother at work?
Yes, I help my mother.
Do you spend time with your grandparents?
No, they live in village.
List few things you do at home.
I watch TV, play with my brother. Sometime I watch computer and mobile and I study.
Thank you.
You are welcome.